let's make some Instant Pot quick and easy mashed potatoes. You need some gold potatoes, large or small, almond milk or regular milk, some margarine, earth balance or regular butter, some salt and pepper. That's all you need. So I've peeled and evenly cut into thirds my potatoes. Now I'm getting ready to put them in the Instant Pot. I've had them soaking in some cold water and I've rinsed it a couple of times so the water is now clear. So I'm going to load them into the Instant Pot. And as you know, Instant Pot needs some water for steaming to come to pressure. So I'm just adding the extra water that I have to cook the potatoes. Now I'm going to put the lid on. Turn it around the right way. Set it to sealing. And let's set the time. We're going to hit pressure, manual for 10 minutes. Now that the 10 minutes of cooking time is over, it's been 2 minutes on natural release. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick release of the pressure. Now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and open the lid. And look at those potatoes, perfectly cooked. Drain the potatoes. Now I'm going to mash it right in the Instant Pot. It's going to save cleanup because we're using one pot. I'm using almond milk, but you can always use regular milk if you choose. So I keep pouring in the almond milk until it gets to the right consistency. I also add some Earth Balance original great buttery spread, and you can use regular butter if you choose. I'm making vegan mashed potatoes here. So I go ahead and mash it and keep going, and I keep checking until it's the right consistency. It's almost where I want it, so I start adding some pepper. And if it's not creamy enough, go ahead and add some more milk and butter at this time. And there you have it, creamy Instant Pot mashed potatoes.